Today we're unboxing the Snob Essentials the box. Here I go. What is this? It's for me and Ollie. This is for Ollie and this is for me. Your fabric set. Uh-oh.
It's okay. What color is that?
Pink.
Close.
Oh, this is for the mall washing machine. What is this? Clips.
How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
4.
4 is it. What is this? A box, too.
What does it say?
Fabric and chips.
Oh.
And there's something else in here.
Something a mouse? What else?
A paper. And scissors.
Wow. Very careful.
Wow. So cool. Chips, the fabric, and the scissor, and yarns. And your fabric. So soft.
Enzymatic,
Enzymatic,
tensile,
tinsel,
lyocell,
lyocell,
twill.
12.
Is there one more thing in there?
Hmm?
Go get it.
Hey! Use the code that's on the screen.
$10.
$10.
Off.
Off.
Yay.
Yay! Can I show Ollie?
Yes.
Thanks for watching.